Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How's life? I wish all the best for you. Okay, in this pandemic, we have to keep our spirit in learning. Ya, kita harus tetap belajar, semangat berkarya dan justru harus memanfaatkan momentum ini sebagai ajang untuk lompatan, ya katanya presiden begitu ya, lompatan untuk berkarya begitu. Okay, students, we've come to the second topic, that is offering and suggestion. Ya, offering and suggestion. What is that? Ya, of course in communication sometimes you need to offer something, help or anything else, and also when your friends get problem or something else, then you can give suggestion, ya, atau saran. Okay, but today we have a bit different activities, ya. We start with quizzes, with question, and then after doing the quiz, then we talk about the question. And here I would like to talk to you about the question. We discuss what is the answer of the question. Okay, we start from the first one. Yeah. Here is the question. Hey Siti, ya. Hey sweetie, kalau bahasa Inggris, ya. Hey sweetie, bla bla bla, go stargazing tonight. Ya, which one? Ya, ini apa ini? Kira-kira apa? Apakah offer atau suggest ya ini ya? Hey Siti, ya. Are you go? Atau how about go? Dicoba saja. Shall them go? Ya. Atau would you like to go? Ya, ini sebenarnya dari sisi grammar kita bisa menganalisa kira-kira jawabannya yang mana. Kalau are you going to, diikuti verb ing, kemudian how about diikuti juga verb ing, how about going, seldom, ya, we talk about city, ya. Seldom itu tidak ada kaitannya, secara konteks tidak nyambung. Kemudian would you like to, ya, would you like to go stargazing tonight? Okay, so which one the answer? Let's try. Okay, so the answer is would you like to? Would you like to go stargazing tonight? That is the most appropriate answer for this expression, ya. Okay, berikutnya, ya. Berikutnya. Okay, berikutnya. Sam, Sam, would you like to go watch a movie this weekend? Ini sama kayak tadi offer ya. Would you like to go watching a movie? Ini harusnya watching ya. Would you like to go watching a movie this weekend? Ya. Kemudian I can. Ya, ini dia menolak tawarannya. I'm low on cash right now. Saya lagi bokeh sekarang. Bla bla bla, stay at home and watch TV instead, ya. Bla bla bla, stay at home, dicoba-coba saja dimasukkan, ya. How about, ya. How about itu diikuti verb ing. How about staying at home, seharusnya begitu. Let's stay at home, ini cocok juga karena let's itu let us, ya, diikuti verb one. Let's stay at home and watch TV instead. Ya, what about ini juga diikuti verb ing, ya. I think biasanya diikuti diikuti subjeknya lagi. I think we just stay at home, misalnya seperti itu, ya. So which one is the answer? Guess. Okay, so let's is the answer, ya. Let's stay at home, ya. Let's stay at home. And then the following. What shall we do today? What shall we do today? Blah blah blah. Ya, we go to the library. Ya, what shall we do today? Ya, apa enaknya ngapain ya hari ini? Ya, misalnya shall I kalau shall I diikuti subjek lagi tidak sesuai, ya. Let's itu sudah let us, we tidak sesuai juga. Why don't we? It is quite appropriate. Let's try the other. Would you? Ini juga tidak sesuai karena would you habis subjek ketemu subjek lagi, ya. So why don't we go to library? Let's check. Is that the answer? Okay, so that is the answer. Why don't we go to the library? Ya, what shall we do? Jadi seperti itu. Kita bisa menawarkan, enaknya ngapain ya? What shall we do today? Why don't we go to library? Why don't we go to food court? Why don't we go to, for example, why don't we go to the field for playing football, for example? Yeah, you can change. Yeah, try to use your own context. Yeah. Okay. The following. Tom looks very tired. Ya, Tom looks very tired. Kelihatannya sangat capek. What's your suggestion to him? Apa your suggestion? Saran kalian untuk Tom? Ya, you should eat more. Ini kalau saya yang capek boleh ini. Ya, you should eat more. Kamu harus makan lagi. Ya, makan lebih banyak. Ya, kemudian I think you ought to get some rest. Ya, aku pikir kamu harusnya istirahat lebih banyak. Ya. And why don't ini lanjutannya apa? Nggak cocok juga ya. You should study harder. Kamu harus belajar lebih keras. Dia kelihatan capek, disuruh belajar lebih keras. What do you think? Okay, so which one is the answer? Okay. So the slide shows you the answer. I think you ought to get some rest. Aku pikir kamu harus memperbanyak istirahat. Okay. Next. Blah blah blah, like a cup of coffee. Ya, like a cup of coffee. Okay, a cup of coffee. And then let's try which one is the most appropriate one. Ya, yang paling cocok. I'll do like a cup of coffee. Tidak sesuai. Like itu sudah kata kerja, seharusnya sebelumnya ada subjek atau kata kerja bantu. Would you like a cup of coffee? Ini bisa jadi should I like a cup of coffee? Artinya tidak tepat ya. Can I? Bisakah saya menyukai? So would you like a cup of coffee? Maukah kamu segelas kopi ya? Would you like a cup of coffee? Try to use it for other thing. For example, would you like instant noodle? For example, ya. Would you like instant noodle? Would you like a glass of water? Would you like snacks? Ya. Be creative trying to apply in another word ya. Gunakan dengan kombinasi kata yang lain. Okay. So the answer is would you. The best answer is would you. And then Linda is working on her homework. Ya, on her homework. Linda sedang mengerjakan PR-nya. But she finds some difficult question. Ya. She found difficult question. What will you suggest her? Apa saranmu untuk dia? Ngerjakan PR, kemudian menemukan kesulitan. Kalau kamu, apa biasanya yang kamu lakukan kalau begitu? I think you should stop studying. Nah, ini bisa jadi kalau kalian nemu, ini sulit, buat tidur dulu. Saya juga ya, buat tidur dulu, mungkin nanti nemu ini ya, buat nge-game dulu, nanti barangkali ketemu. No, that's not a good suggestion. Ya, I think you should stop studying. Ya, try. What if you drink to refresh yourself? Ya, it can be. But let's see other answer, other option. Ya, maybe you can sleep now. Ya, maybe you can sleep now. Sama kayak yang pertama tadi, stop studying, kemudian sleeping. Enak, nggak jadi belajar. And then the last, what about? Nah ini what about, how about itu diikuti going, diikuti verb ing ya. What about going to your friend's house to study together? Kalau belajar bersama bagaimana? Nah ini find the answer of difficult question, studying together. That is the best answer. Try, check. Okay, so this is the answer ya. This is the answer. Okay, the following. Shall I bring you some snacks? Artinya apa? Shall I bring you Haruskah aku atau apa namanya? Ini menawarkan ya, haruskah aku membawakan kamu makanan? Atau apakah kamu mau segelas kopi? Tidak ada kata kopi. Bagaimana kalau aku membawakan kamu ke rumah membawa kamu ke rumah sakit? Oh apa? Tidak ada kaitannya sama rumah sakit. Bolehkah aku menolong kamu? Ya, ini menolong apa? Haruskah aku membawakan kamu makanan? Jawabannya, okay, so that is the best answer. Yeah, this easy question. Yeah, shall I bring you? You can try to use other thing. Shall I bring you some snacks? Shall I buy you food? Shall I take you lunch? Shall I borrow you some books? Shall I lend you some books? Ya boleh. Haruskah aku meminjamimu buku? Shall I lend you some money? Misalnya, ya. Okay, be creative. And then Edo, I have a lot of work to finish. I don't know how I will manage. Ya, banyak kerjaan untuk diselesaikan. I don't know how I will manage. Bagaimana aku bisa menyelesaikannya, mengaturnya. Ya, bla bla bla. Half of it if you want. Ya, would you itu diikuti verb 1 biasanya. Half of it itu tidak sesuai jika digabung dengan would you. I think half of it itu juga tidak sesuai. I think subject verb gitu ya. Why don't you half of it? Why don't we go? Why don't you go? Seperti itu. Kemudian I will help you with, ya, I will help you with half of it, ya. I will help you with half of it if you want. Aku akan membantumu separuhnya kalau kamu mau. Enak sekali ya, PR-nya banyak dibantu separuh begitu. Oke, lanjut ya, we continue. Is this the last? I'm so thirsty. I'm so thirsty. Haus sekali. Blah blah blah, get you something to drink. Ya, how about get you? How about verb ing? Why don't subject? Why don't we go? Why don't you take? Why don't, dan seterusnya. Ya, could you? Ya, could you get you something to drink? This is grammatically correct, but ya, tidak sesuai artinya ya. Could you get you? Kemudian what about get, verb 1. Can I get you something to drink? Nah, ini offer ya. Can I get you something to drink? Can I get you something to eat? Can I get you my book? Can I get you many things ya. Can I get you your cell phone misalnya, dan seterusnya ya. Is this the last? Okay, so that is the answer, yeah. Okay, and this is the last. Thank you. That's it from me about offering and suggestion. A simple example in the form of question. You apply it. You try to combine with other word, other sentences. Dicoba, diucapkan, kemudian digunakan, kemudian dikombinasikan dengan kalimat-kalimat, kata-kata yang lain yang sesuai dengan konteks kita. Ya, so thank you. That's it for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.